Now here you have one more important example. Example 2.16. So that the equation z square equal to z bar has 4 solutions. You have an equation. You have to prove the solution is 4, right? So z square equal to z bar is given. When you are taking the modulus of z square equal to modulus of z bar, that is nothing but mod z, right? So modulus of z square minus modulus of z equal to 0. Taking mod z as common factor, you will be getting mod z into mod z minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, mod z equal to 0, the first part. The second part, you will get mod z equal to 1. So mod z equal to 0, we can say z equal to 0 is one of the. So now mod z equal to 1, that implies z bar equal to 1, that implies your z bar equal to 1 pi z. We are replacing in your question, that is mod z square equal to z bar. We are replacing z bar by what we found out, 1 pi z. So it will be z cube equal to 1. So it is a cubic equation. You have 3 solutions. So z has 3 non-zero solutions. Hence, including 0 solution, there are 4 solutions, right? So this is also one of the important question. Now this next one, square roots of a complex number. Formula for finding square root of a complex number. This plays a very important role in our complex number. Root of a plus ib equal to plus or minus root of mod z plus a by 2. Your a is real part, plus I into b by modulus of b into root of mod z minus a by 2, where your z equal to a plus ib and b not equal to 0. Now we are starting exercise 2.5. The first, the square root concept. Find the square roots of 4 plus 3i. So your z I am taking as 4 plus 3i. Your a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. So a plus ib. Your modulus of z is mod of 4 plus 3i, that is equal to root of 16 plus 9. 4 square, 3 square is 5. We can write the square root of a plus ib as plus or minus, once again, root of mod z plus a by 2 plus I b by mod b, root of mod z minus a by 2. That becomes plus or minus root of 9 by 2 plus I into root of 1 by 2. So 9 becomes 3 by root 2 plus I by root 2. That we can conclude by plus or minus 3 plus I by root 2, right? So this is your answer. Now the second one, minus 6 plus 8i can be taken as z and a plus ib. Your a equal to minus 6, b equal to plus 8. So your mod z equal to root of real square plus imaginary square is 36 plus 64 is root 100 equal to 10. Therefore root of minus 6 plus 8i equal to plus or minus root of mod z is 10 minus plus a is your a is minus 6. So 10 minus 6 by 2 plus I into 8 by 8 root of 10 plus 6 by 2. Your a is minus 6. So here you will get plus, here you will get minus. So your answer will be plus or minus root of 4 by 2 plus I into root of 16 by 2. So root 4 by 2 becomes root 2. 16 by 2 is root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. So your square root is plus or minus root 2 plus I into 2 root 2. You have third question that you have to do it yourself, right? Now one of the example, again 2.15 is a 5 mark question. Let z1, z2 and z3 be complex numbers such that their modulus values are equal to r and your z1 plus z2 plus z3 is not equal to 0. Prove that modulus of z1 z2 plus z2 z3 plus z3 z1 by mod z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to r. You have to prove the result. The given values, the modulus of z1 z2 z3 nothing but r. So your mod z1 is z1 bar equal to r square. We are squaring on both sides. So the root cancelled and z2 bar is also r square, z3 bar also r square. I can found out z1 as r square by mod z1, like that z2 and z3. So when the sum is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, the answer will be R square by Z1 bar plus R2 square, R square by Z2 bar plus R square by Z3 bar. So take cross multiplication, it becomes R square into Z2 bar plus Z3 bar. Here we are missing Z2 and Z3. So Z2, Z3 bar, and here it is Z1 bar, Z3 bar. Here it is Z2 and Z1 bar. So that becomes, when you are taking the modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to modulus of R square into the modulus of the fraction. So that modulus total bar is nothing but Z2 Z3 plus Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z1 bar. So when we can cancel the bar, when you are taking the modulus, the total bar and individual bar you can cancel. So here you have individual bar and this becomes total, and here we can cancel the bar. So it becomes Z2 Z3 plus Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z1 bar modulus. Here you have modulus. Like that your denominator mod Z1, mod Z2, mod Z3. Mod Z1 is R and mod Z2 is also R. This also R. So R into R into R, it becomes R cube. Here you have R square. So R square and R cube we can cancel. We will get R. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z1 Z2 by R. Interchanging R and this one, we will be getting modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z1 Z2 by modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to R. Hence proved. So this is one of the 5-mark question. The same question you have in the exercise with the numbers. Okay, that we will see that in exercise. Thank you.